Hi, this is Tim. Today I want to give a quick tip about how to quickly assign IP addresses to multiple devices using the PLC Tools SIM-IPE. Now we have videos on all the features of this, but sometimes it's just nice to show how we actually use it in our day-to-day operations. So right now we have 4 of our PLC trainers that we need to configure the IP addresses up. They're brand new right out of the box. They have a micro 820 on the front of them. They have a Powerflex 525 on the back of them. And so what we can do is if we go to prepare IP address and we go down to our IP address list, then I already have the 2 IP addresses that we're going to use. 192.168.1.10 is going to be our PLC, and 192.168.1.12 is going to be our Powerflex drive. And that's going to be the same on all 4 of these. So what I can do is I'll go ahead and select the 10, which is our PLC, and I know it is this top cable here. So we'll just unplug it. We'll go down to assign IP address and use BOOTP DHCP, and we can plug it in. And it has accepted the address, and we can click OK to set to static, and it is done. Now from here, we could go back and we could select .12 for the Powerflex drive, or you can simply use the up and down arrows and we can change it to 12. So all I'm going to do now is I have it where I want it. I'm going to unplug my PLC. We'll pull off our Powerflex drive and click OK. And again, it says that the target has accepted the IP address. We click OK to set it to static. Now our Allen Bradley Micro 820 PLC and the Powerflex 525 drives IP addresses are set, and we can hook in and download our programs. So I'm going to run through these really quickly, doing the same process, and their IP addresses will be all set and they'll be ready to go. So there's another time-saving tip for you guys that are building a lot of the same panels, or say you have 200 Ethernet devices out there. That's how you can quickly go through and set them all. I'll put a link to this in the description where you can learn more. Till next time. Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber of TW Controls. We run the automation store. Hey, thanks for finding our channel.
Here's a playlist with some similar videos.
And YouTube thinks you'll like this video.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.
And if our videos have helped you make some money and you're not using our products, please consider supporting us on Patreon.
Till next time.
See ya!